Hello students, today we will discuss the poem The Rebel by D.J. Enright. This poem deals with the attitude of a social rebel. The poem tells the nature of a rebel who does just opposite of what others do in order to be different. The poet tells that it is although a negative trait, yet sometimes it is good to have rebels in the society as they can be productive and socially useful because they come up with the new ideas. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? Think of a word to describe such a person. Yes, the most appropriate word to describe such a person is rebel. The Rebel by D.J. Enright. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. In the given lines, the poet tells us about the rebellious nature of a person. When the rebel finds himself in the group of people with short hair, he grows his hair in order to look different from others. However, when he sees people growing their hair long, he cuts his hair short to have a difference from others. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. In these lines, the poet expresses how the rebel goes against the society. When everybody talks during a lesson or meeting, the rebel would keep silence. Whereas when everyone is expected to be quiet, he won't stop talking and would create disturbances. The rebel does this in order to seek attentions of others. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. The poet in these lines shows the rebel's attitude in dressing up. The rebel always wants to be different. So when everybody wears a uniform, the rebel wears colorful clothes. However, when everyone wears colorful, then the rebel would dress up in a sober way. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. In these lines, the poet discusses that the preferences of the rebel are different from others in the society. When the rebel finds himself in the company of the people who love to keep dogs as pet animals, the rebel talks about the cats. When he is surrounded by the cat lovers, he would prefer dogs to cats. His preferences never match with the others in the group. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. The poet goes on to give different examples in which the rebel wants to be different at all costs. When everybody requires the sunlight and praises the sun, the rebels would say that the sun is not required and there is a need for rain. When everybody welcomes rain, the rebel would appreciate the sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. In these lines, the poet tells about the ultimate motive of the rebels, that they prefer to remain alone. When others are engaged in meeting, the rebels prefer to stay at home and read a book. When others feel to stay at home and read books the rebels would think of about the meetings. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. The poet tells us in these lines that it is impossible to make the rebel agree with others. When everybody asks for something, the rebel rejects the same, saying no thanks. When everybody does not like and reject anything, uh, by saying no thanks, the rebel asks for the thing saying yes please. He shows that he is quite different from others. It is very good that we have rebel. You may not find it very good to be one. In these lines, the poet concludes that it is very good that we have social rebels in the society. But it is not good to be a social rebel because they are not accepted by the society. I hope so you understood the poem. Thank you. God bless.